We're starting the tape. All right, guys, this is going to be Flawless number 117. Flawless number 117. We just did number 116, one boxer, and now we're doing one boxer since we don't have cases anymore. All right, this is just a quick 10-spot two-winner random. Winner gets to, top two get the draft from England and Germany. Here are your participants. Michael, and then Cazorla, Michael again, Cyrus, Victor, Cazorla, Jasper, Jaime, Cyrus, and Victor. So that's 10 spots in all. We're going to roll the dice. If it's snake eyes, we will re-roll it. 9 times. 9 times. So we're going to go 9 times on the randomizer. Top two get in. Good luck. 1. Back this up a little. All right, we're going to go 9 times. Me and Jaime are okay with 1. We're going to go 9 times. 2. Again, we're going 9 times. This is 2. 3. 4. Wow, Cazorla likes 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9th and final. Good luck. 9. Sir Mikkel and Mago Azul. Wow, look at Cyrus. Both bottom spots. Sorry, everyone else. Congrats, Michael and Victor. Michael, would you like England or Germany? England. All right, Victor, that leaves you with Germany. Not a bad consolation prize. All right. I did it again. Oops, I did it again. Oh, I tell you what, my randomizer has been horrible for me too. That was 0 for 2 for me. If it's any consolation. All right, here are the teams for 117 in the random. Real Madrid, Andy, that's you. Chevy, you got Barcelona. Portugal, Lady Luck, that is Anthony. Nicole, you got Belgium. Mark, you got Colombia in both. Jameson, Paris Saint-Germain in both. Nicole, you had Belgium in 117 and Switzerland also in both, so you have them in 117. Jameson, Paris Saint-Germain. AC Milan, Jesus. Victor, Chile. Croatia, Michael. Serbia, Jameson. Nicole, Zenit. And teams that were bought, Michael, Ajax. Hugh, Argentina. Tommy, Atletico. Borussia Dortmund, Andreas, Bosnia, Ishmir, Adil, Brazil, Tommy, Cameroon, Michael won England, congrats in the filler, Barcelona was in the filler, Rich has Bayern, Zenit was in the filler, France, Michael, Mustafa Galatasaray, Germany, congrats Victor, Gator has Italy, Adil, Ivory Coast, Mexico, Noel, Rich, Netherlands, Poland, Michael, Andy, Spain, Noel, USA, Andy, Uruguay. There you have it. Actually, 20%. You guys had, each spot had a 20% chance. I had a 40, I had more than a 20% chance. I had a, what, 40% chance, I guess, since I had 2 spots, but still got skunked. The life of a gambler. You gotta know when to hold them. Know when to fold them. Damn, I don't think that worked right. There we go. Got it right that time. Good luck, good luck. Let's hope this is a sick box. I really want one of these boxes to be sick. I mean, that last box the case hit turned out to be sick, even though it was Beckenbauer. At least it was a 1 of 1. But you guys know what I mean. All right, I'm not looking. I'm not looking at all. I'm looking away, and I pulled that out without looking inside the box. All right, I saw the top card. It's a nice little jersey there. It's an auto on the bottom. All right, let's hope we see a second jersey card. That means we avoid studs if that's the case. Yep, no studs. All right, first one, Fabian Schär. Fabian Schär. That is Switzerland, right? Yep, Switzerland. Who's got the Swiss? The Swiss were in the filler. And the Swiss goes to Nicole. Nicole and the Swiss. All right, guys, let's fill up Noir. I'm feeling it. Noir's going to be sick. We got a long night ahead of us. I got nothing to do. I'm going to stay on until we fill all those breaks. I'm not going anywhere. 2 of 10. You guys want to fill the breaks because you don't want me singing. Next up goes 2 of 5. That is Stefan de Vrij. Stefan de Vrij of the Netherlands going back to Mr. Gilmore. Third hit for the Dutch out of these 2 boxes so far. Mr. Gilmore, that is Rich. Next up, our second Serbian hit, 3 of 10, Branislav Ivanovic, Serbia. Serbia, there was one in the last box, Jameson. It's another Serbian hit. Three of 10. Next auto. Viva Mexico. 10 of 15. Hugo Sanchez. Mexico. Put this away. I want to mix that up. Mexico. Who's got Mexico? Noel. Someone guessed that Barca is next. Wow. I don't know. Spoiler alert. Spoiler alert. Mexico goes to Noel. You guys gonna make me use the little cover cards there? You were correct. Wow, next one's nice. 18 of 25 for Barcelona, Javier Mascherano. Someone's going to be happy. That one is actually Chevy. Drove my Chevy to the levee, but the levee wasn't dry. You got a hit, Chevy. I don't believe it. You hear? Chevy's not here. Notify the press immediately. Chevy got a hit. all I can say is this next card is a gold, one of those gold stamped cards numbered 2 of 2. It's going to be a gold stamp card, and it's numbered 2 of 2. You know what? 2 of 2, I think. I know it's not a 1-of-1, but still, I think that deserves a mag. So I'm going to go get a mag. I'm going to make you guys wait. We usually mag 1-of-1s, but, you know, 2 of 2, close enough. That's what I think. I think 2 of 2 is close enough, so we'll mag it. I hope whoever owns this card will not mind that I just magged their card. Very carefully. How about, there you go, Michael, for the $24 random spot. How about a 2 of 2 Harry Kane? Gold proof. 2 of 2. There you go. You just never know. Need a chip and a chair. That's all that is required. A chip and a chair. That goes to Michael. And the last hit. Borussia Dortmund, Marco Reus. Nice one. That one goes to Andreas, I think. Yep, Andreas. All right, we're down to 3 cards left in the break. 3 cards left in the break. Come on, one time be something sick so I have confidence in these single boxes. I need it to be a sick hit so I have my confidence restored in these single boxes. Alright, let's see. We're going to go here first. Oh, nice one. How about for Germany? 5 of 5. Bastian Schweinsteiger. 5 of 5. Random spots doing it there. Last 2 teams to go. Victor. The 2 teams nobody wanted. Germany and England, which is odd because they're probably the 2 best teams. Hits-wise. Germany goes to Victor. Next one we've got for Barcelona, Xavi Hernandez, a second hit for Chevy. Man, the levy runneth over. 10 of 20. There's Rob. What's up, Rob? And the last hit. Last hit of box 2. Or box 117, I should say. Wow. Okay. Is a Pele autograph. And wait a minute. Is that an 18 or a 10? I can't tell. Is that an 18 or a 10? I think it's a 10. Pretty sure it's a 10. If it's a 10, it's jersey number, obviously. Or maybe it's an 18. I think it's a 10. Is it a 10? Can anyone tell? It's like the line is like right over where. Yeah, I want to say it's a 10. I don't know. That's what I'm guessing. Yeah, I'm thinking it's a 10. Yeah. Anyway, congrats, Adil, I think, right? Brazil, yep. Sorry, Marek. Congrats, Adil. Marek had him in the first box. Adil had him in the second box. And the randomizer decided which box went first. So that means, Adil, you are the proud owner of a jersey number, Pele, 10 of 25 autograph. Very nice. Well, that's a good sign. That is a good sign that we pulled a Pele, because Pele is the case hit. So he would usually go with studs or with, he could have gone with Beckenbauer. That's also possible. So it's very possible that these actually came from the same case. I was worried that we're just going to pull Beckenbauer, Charlton studs, Beckenbauer, Charlton studs. At least this way we know we are pulling one of the case hits. Yeah, Pele said that's what I gonna, because it goes like one, there's two little blue lines through it. There's the first blue line and then there's another blue line. So he kind of did that circular P and has two lines going through that. Anyway, all right, recap, and then we're moving on to Noir. Single cases of flawless. I'll post more, I don't know, maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow. When do you guys want me to post? Shar, if you guys want to tell me what time you want me to post, I can post at a given time so everybody has warning. 2 of 10 for Switzerland. That's Nicole. 2 of 5, Rich. That's the Netherlands. That is the Re. And then the gems for Chevy. 10 of 20, Xavi Hernandez. For Victor, 5 of 5, Bastian Schweinsteiger. Then the autographs, Mexico, Hugo Sanchez, 10 of 15. That is Noel. Jameson, 3 of 10, Ivanovic for Serbia. Andreas, 16 of 25, Royce. Chevy, 18 of 25, Javier Mascherano. And then our two big hits, 2 of 2, Harry Kane for Michael and England, and 10 of 25, Pele for Adil. There you have it. That is our box number 117.